viewers. Hello viewers. Today I am going to tell you how to regulate a speak recognition command. How to get a speaking rate, how to change a volume, how to change a male voice to female voice or vice versa, and handling the event. For that, you have to install several um, libraries in your program, which I already told you in my speech recognition command, but I am repeating here how to create a speech recognition program in Python to control a voice attribute. After solving a problem of installation of pyAudio above 3 plus version, check Python version, pip version, and install the speech recognition program pip install speech recognition. If not take, then I will give you a path. Then I will give you a path. Copy it and run from C prompt. pyAudio install. Pip install pyAudio. If you are using Windows 10, the pycharm, and then use pip install pipwin install pyAudio. This will install the pyAudio. Activate audio recognizer. Now activate the audio recognizer python -m pip install upgrade pip. Then install py2text speak extended version 3. Install pip install pyttsx3. If it not work, then install window version pip install pyttsx3 EAIDK 2.91. This will work in window version. Now see how to write the program in Python. For that, you have to first of all import the speech recognition as SR, then import pyttsx3, and then create the object of recognizer. The recognizer will when you create the object recognizer, then it will listen your voice in your listener. Then you create the engine where you initialize the Python text to speak extended version 3, and then find out the rate of engine get property rate, print rate, and then engine set property rate 125, and you can speak your in this rate, and the voice will come in this rate. So just run and find out.
I am your Alexa. What can I do for you? Hello world. A current speaking rate is 200. Say sells seashells by the seashore. The brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. Well, lazy dog.
तो उसकी rate 200 set हो गई. Now you have to set the volume of your voice. So you can set the volume. First of all, I am setting 1.0. For that, you have to write volume equals to engine get property volume, print volume, and then engine set property volume 1.0. I am setting volume 1.0 and just run it.
I am your Alexa. What can I do for you? Hello world. My current speaking rate is 200. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. What a lazy dog.
Now you change the rate and volume of the voice. For that you can write here 0.50. Now run it.
I am your Alexa. What can I do for you?
Now the voice is
World.
lower than before and
My
the
current
speaking
rate
speed is
200.
lower than before.
Sally sells seashells by the seashore. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. A lazy dog.
Now I will change the male voice to female. For that you have to write the voice equals to engine get property voices, engine set property voices 0 ID. 0 ID is for the male voice. Changing index change voice 0 for the male and change index changes voice 1 for the female. So using a male in place of using the male voice, I am going to use the female voice. So run it and find it.
I am your Alexa. What can I do
Isn't
for
it
you?
interesting?
Hello world. My current speaking rate is 200. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. What a lazy dog.
Now here the speed is very slow, so you make it again, change it into 150 and then run it.
I am your Alexa. What can I do for you?
Now volume is
Hello
increased.
world. My current speaking rate is 200. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. What a lazy dog.
Now again I want to change the rate because it is speaking very low, very slow. So now run it.
I am your Alexa.
Now speaking
what
fast.
Can I do for you? Hello world. My current speaking rate is 200. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. What a lazy dog.
Now again I want to do the event. Here I have written so many things. Engine say I am your Alexa. Engine say what can I do for you. Engine say hello world. Engine say my current speaking rate and it is printing the rate. Then Sally sells, she sells by the seashore. All these things are I'm printing using the engine which I have initialized in the previous portion, where engine equals to pyttsx3, which convert the Python text to speak, and Python will speak whatever you type, and then I am going to tell you how to perform the events. So here I am stopping the engine, and again I am initializing pyttsx3.init and then define on start name, where name is a parameter which I have to pass in it. It will tell your name and then define on word name, location and length. The word which you are passing, it will tell the location and its length. Then word name, location, length. Then define on end name completed. Uh, um, which is completed from which name, it will tell you. Then print finish name completed. If name equals to fox, I am using the phrase the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. So it's end with a dog. So here I am checking if name equals to fox, then engine say what a lazy dog, and it will end with dog. So else if name equals to dog, the engine and loop. If the phrase stop by the dog name, then it will end the engine loop. Otherwise, it will initialize pyttsx3 init and say all and perform all these events and say your phrase. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. So let's see and run it.
I am your Alexa. What can I do for you? Hello world. My current speaking rate is 200. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog.
Now
What a
it's
lazy
taking the
dog.
dog as a last, so it's telling the quick brown fox jump over the lazy dog. First of all, it is checking the phrase and it's passing the name fox. So first of all, it will say if name equals to fox, engine say what a lazy dog. As it is say dog, then it will come here and end the loop. So this is the event, how we perform it. Next day I will tell you how to save your voice in your file as a MP3 or a wave or different way. I will tell you how to speak in mic and you will save your file in a different form. So this is all today, students. If you like it, please share and subscribe, and thank you. Thank you, viewers.